What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. In this video, we're going to talk about when and where and what to expect at the Google Pixel 4 launch on October 15th. Now, it happens, like I said, October 15th, and that should be today, the day I release this video, and also it will happen at 10 a.m. Eastern time. If you live on the West Coast like me, it's 7 a.m. So you gotta wake up pretty early to see this event, which is cool with me because I wake up at 6 anyway. But anyway, 7 a.m. October 15th, and they're obviously going to launch and announce the Google Pixel 4 and Google Pixel 4 XL. Now, those phones are going to be updates to their last flagship phones from last year. So you're looking at a 2K display on the XL, 1080p display on the 4, Snapdragon 855, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage, awesome cameras, obviously, with 1080p video on the front, 4K on the back. But anyways, that's what to expect mostly for the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Other products that they should be launching, but we're not obviously positively sure, a Pixelbook Go, which is a touchscreen laptop. It looks like 9 to 5 Google already got their hands on this, but we'll wait and see if they end up launching that at the event. Also, a new Nest Home Mini, which is one of those little speakers that you can talk to and get Google answers and have it control your smart home and things like that. Some things that might but probably won't come out are Pixel Buds, like an update to the Pixel Buds that they've had, so wireless headphones of some sort, Pixel Bud 2s you might want to call them, and also a Pixel Watch, which I kind of doubt because we haven't seen any screenshots or heard really anything else about the Pixel Bud 2s or a Pixel Watch, so I'm guessing those probably won't be launched. So if I had to guess, I would think they're going to announce 3 products: a Nest Home Mini, a Pixelbook Go, which is a touchscreen laptop, and then lastly would be the Pixel 4 and 4 XL. But anyways, everything to watch the event is linked down below, and that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments down below which products you're excited about, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!